me let him come home. I think the nigga done doing wrong. I get scared of the day when the soul will be gone. The spoken words, the thoughts never be spitting in vain. It seems the only way to sunshine is through the hard rain. I need to find a path free in the change. Ask God if he feels my pain. Then please won't you stop the rain. Father's homecoming when his soul on this earth was summoned. I remember a white church and my lips had a salty taste from the tears running down my face. Can't erase the hurt, watching my father's body lower than dirt. My uncle and my cousin passed too. What's life worth? In 5th grade, sometimes I used to just sit there and cry. At recess, didn't want to play, I just wish I would die. Things rushed through my head back when I was 11, praying and hoping that my dad had made it to heaven. It was hard being the youngest and no one helped me. Everybody seemed happy and no one felt me. But regardless of the fact, I did the best that I can, making the transition from boy straight to a grown man. But understand, I felt the shame and I feel the same, that God just needs to stop the rain. Now I'm grown, here to fend on my own. I'm speaking and bringing the truth through this lyrical poem. And it's all cause these niggas can't see. Open up your eyes, you can recognize me. I felt the rain like every other nigga did. Nigga always slipping, standing up, so I slid. It's part of the life, while everything seems trite and everything wrong, very well may be right. It's just confusing and some people can't handle. Their mind breaks down and they heart starts to dismantle. But I'm that boy that used to have evil dreams. Now I realize that life is way more than it seems. It's just something you learn on the daily as your mind matures. Can't ruin a life with a heart so pure. And since I realized that things won't change, God, you can keep it the same, cause I'ma just deal with the rain.
Not all the time, but some kid who wants to go out and play. Seems like he raised everything. Kids expected to raise them too. One kid, it rained too much.